Hello, kids! Welcome! Today, we'll be talking about reasons computers are important. Why are computers important to us? And also, we'll be looking at caring for the computer. Why we need to care for our computer. The computer is mostly used daily. We mostly use our computer daily. This is why it is very important to understand how to care for the computer in order not to damage it. So today we'll be looking at the steps on how to care for the computer. The first one here is always blow off dust from the surroundings of the computer. If you have a computer at home or in your school and you see there is dust, you simply blow the dust away from the surrounding of the computer, because if you don't blow the dust, it can easily damage the computer. Let's see the next step. The next step we have is make sure the cables are properly connected to avoid electrostatic shocks. If you see you have wires, cables in your computer, make sure you connect them properly so you will not get a shock. Let's see the next step for caring for the computer. Number 3, ensure your system unit is connected to an uninterruptible power supply to avoid this crash. Now, if you see the light is not stable in your area, don't on your computer. Instead, I will advise you to get a stable light before owning your computer so you will not get a disk scratch. Number 4, ensure that there is a lid cover on the monitor to reduce screen brightness. Now we need a lid cover on the monitor to reduce screen brightness, just the way we use our screen guard on our phone. That's how our monitor needs a lid cover. The next one is ensure that the system is properly shut down before turning off the power supply. Now, if you're done using your computer, what you are supposed to do is to turn off the computer before you off the light. The next one we have is do not leave water or food around the computer system. If you know you want to eat, make sure you eat before using the computer. Not when you are working with the computer, that's when you know you want to eat. You can easily spill drink or water on the computer and it will damage the computer. The next one we have is ensure the system unit is covered when not in use. If you know you are not using your CPU, which is the system unit and is known as the brain of the computer, you simply cover it to protect it from pests, because pests can easily eat the wires of the system unit. Now let's see the last way we can care for our computer. Do not use computer with bad voltage. Now, when we say do not use the computer with bad voltage, maybe for example, the light you have in your house is not a high current, is a low current. Don't use it. Instead, you wait patiently to have a high current. Now let's see reasons computers are important. Why are computers important to us? The computer is widely used across different sectors. It is used by doctors, engineers, scientists, architects, and professionals in different fields. The question now is, why do they use the computer? The following steps are the reasons why computers are used by people. Number 1, they create more accurate service. Now, when we say they create more accurate service, they create a proper service for doctors, engineers, scientists, architects, and professionals. In fact, everybody in the world. Number 2, they perform operations faster, thereby making work faster. Now they make work faster and easier for us. They make our work easy for us. If you want to do anything, when you use the computer, it makes work faster. Number 3, they make professionals more effective. Now, when we say they make professionals more effective, it makes them to have the mindset of learning more about their professions. Now, let's see number 4. Yay! They keep records better than the human brain. Now, when I say they keep record better than the human brain, the computer helps us to keep important documents and files. Documents we can't store in our brain, the computer can easily keep them for you. Anytime you need them, it's just for you to click on your computer and you get all your documents back to you. Now let's see the next step. The next step is they accept data for analysis. When we say they accept data for analysis, they accept raw materials that they can analyze. Now let's see number 6. They are used for research purposes. They are used for research purposes. Maybe you want to find the meaning of something. It's just for you to go to your computer, click on your Google, and type the meaning of the thing you're looking for, and you'll get your answer. The other one we have, they are used to spread information to distant people, thereby enhancing communication. Maybe, for example, I want to talk to someone that is in UK. It's just for me to use my computer to chat with the person. I'm easily communicating with the person. It's question time. Yay! Our first question for today is, always blow off trash from the computer. What do we need to blow away from the computer? Is it books, dust, phone, or lead? Good! The answer is dust. Now let's see the next question. If you do not connect your cable properly, what will happen? You will be happy. Electric shock, brightness, power. Good! You have an electric shock. Yay! We've come to the end of this class. Can't wait to see you in my next class. And it's time to say goodbye. Bye.